back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for joining us. So this tutorial is going to be all about this simple makeup tutorial and how I did my makeup in like 25 minutes, and my hair is like around 15 to 20 minutes. So this is a total of 30 to 40 minutes, and because I was recording, I was even slower. So I think you can get this look in like 30 minutes. And if you're a bit slower, or you're not used to doing your hair and makeup quite fast and all that, I think you can actually do this in 40 minutes to 1 hour. So guys, without no further ado, let's head to the video. And before that, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, don't forget to share my content to anyone you think it's going to help. So let's get to the video. So before we start, I normally don't like to use a lot of gel on my hair, so what I'll do, I'll just comb out my hair, tie it up. Then if I feel like it's not laid down pretty well, then I will use gel on my hair. So then I'll go in with this brush. I'm going to brush my hair so that it can lay down. So I use the Eco Styler gel for my edges. And so I'm going to do my foundation, and I'm using the Illegal Pro Matte. Like, this foundation is like almost finished, and I think I'm going to buy this one again. I got another one. I got the Black Opal True Colors in the shade Black Walnut. So I didn't get the darker shade, which was Ebony Brown. It's a bit light, so I don't know what's going on. So I think I'll just buy the Illegal True Colors in the shade Chestnut, because I feel like it's actually my shade. Because with this foundation I have to use a darker powder for me to like have my actual color. So you can actually see my forehead is okay, but around this area it's a bit light, and the foundation is finished, so I have to work with what I have. And yeah, you just want it to look simple. So this is in the shade Cocoa, so this is going to help me like tone down the shade of my foundation. So I'm going to do most of the powder, I'm going to put it on around the areas I like to contour, because these are the places I don't want to be too bright. I don't want to look like a clown, so I'll just like, so I won't like do the under eye with the dark with this dark powder, because you actually want your under eye to be bright and highlighted and all that. I'm not going to use the Illegal Pro Concealer. I'm not going to use the Pro Concealer for my under eye and my forehead and all that. I'm not going to do all that highlighting, because remember, this is a simple makeup routine, a very quick simple makeup routine. If you're going somewhere really quickly and you really don't have the time, you should be contouring this area. So you can use a darker shade of pressed powder, or you can use a darker shade of foundation. So I'll just go around this area and just a bit of around here. I'm going to pick up a very small brush, and I'm going to use the Banana Dreams loose powder. I'm going to use this loose powder. If I'm not using the Milk of Magnesium for my makeup, so normally you can actually put on this powder around this area, or around the areas you feel like you shine a lot, then put on your foundation. It's going to help someone who has an oily face. It's going to really help you, but because I've not done that step, I'm just going to set around here. So I'm not putting on too much. Is we forgotten, so let us also set the eyes because you're going for a natural look. You're not going to put on eyeshadow so that it cannot look like it's shiny. I think you guys can see the difference with this eye and this eye. This is after setting the eye and this is before setting it, and you can see this side is kind of oily, and that is not what we want on our face. So before we do the eyeliner, I like to go with a very bright color on the tear duct, which is the Impressed You by Beauty Glaze. I got this Zolani Bloom on IG, and it has amazing colors. So you start from the outer corner while going inside, and if you have hooded eyes, something that I came to notice is always do your liner while your eyes are open. For doing the lips, we are going to do the highlight. So I also went with this color on this palette. So I'm just going to do a little bit on my nose and around this area. And for the lips, we are going in with the Apom Beauty in the shade Desire. This is in the shade Desire. So first of all, I'm going to line my lips, then put on the lipstick on top. So after putting on my lipstick, I'm going to use my foundation to like highlight my lip. We are through with our makeup tutorial, guys, so let's put on our lashes, then do our hair, then we good. Satin rose toner to set my face. So guys, are you ready? We are going to do my hair. I don't think I'm going to put on lashes today. Do you like my makeup? Like, it's really cute. Oh my god, my highlights are popping. So guys, we are going to put on this extension, and as you can see, it's all raggedy. So I've just sprayed some water. I have sprayed some water with conditioner, then I'm going to detangle it, so you can actually finger detangle. You can see how easy this is, but I think if we brush this one, it's not going to be problematic. So you see guys, it's actually looking better right now than it was before, because zilikuwa moja, and you don't put on an extension when it's like that. You detangle, it looks inside. See, then it has a clip at the front, so after putting it onto your bun on top there, you can actually use this clip to hold on the front after putting it on. So let's do this. This is why I actually had my hair tied up towards the front, because I really don't want the fringe to be really short. If you don't want it to be like all puffy around here, I think you can actually tie something around. Okay, so guys, this is a final look. I accessorized a bit. I put a clip around here. Got my extension from Natural Hair Kenya, and I also got this brush from Natural Hair Kenya. I'm actually going to put a link that will directly get you to their page so that you can order this extension or this brush. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle, what you think about my makeup. Yeah, you can share my content to your sister, to your mother, to your cousin, to anyone you think it's going to help. Let this family grow. So you can also do an IG if it happens that you try out this makeup tutorial or this hair tutorial. And till our next video, bye guys. And this is not the end of our videos. You can keep on watching this video or this video and keep learning more about hair, fashion and makeup tutorials. Mwah.